Welcome back to Axis Industrial, where heavy forestry machines and raw timber power meet real operator skill. Today, giant trees, harvesters, forwarders, chainsaws, and rugged machines take on the toughest jobs in the woods. The HF400 bites into that monster log like a steel corkscrew, using the reach of a mini excavator and heavy torque to split large timber with clean control. Big wood, smooth separation, and hydraulic power doing the toughest part of the job. That is not just a tree, it is a wall of timber. With a sharp chain and skilled hands, the saw cuts into a 3/0-inch spruce with impressive precision. But the real challenge is control. One wrong cut, and thousands of pounds of wood could fall in the wrong direction. This is what happens when a fully loaded log truck takes a shortcut no truck should be on. One slip, one tilt, and the entire load turns into a very expensive mistake in the middle of the forest. If there were a title for the king of the swamp, this KMC would be a strong contender. Powerful, durable, and built for brutal terrain, it keeps moving through ground that would stop ordinary machines. Steep terrain always makes tree felling more unpredictable. When a tree reaches 45 meters in height, the challenge becomes much bigger. Slope, weight, height, and gravity all make every decision more serious. That Massey Ferguson is lifting its front end because the logs are simply heavier than the tractor can safely balance. One wrong tilt, and control disappears. In forestry work, weight distribution matters because gravity never negotiates. No chainsaw, no hesitation, just raw hydraulic power tearing through roots and soil. Watching that Hyundai excavator uproot a full-grown tree like pulling a weed shows the force, control, and efficiency modern machines can bring to land clearing.
Absolutely mind-blowing.
This massive tree refuses to give up, even with two John Deere 6,530 tractors pulling with full torque. With 135 horsepower each, the machines bring serious strength, but the root system still fights back hard. Sometimes nature holds on with everything it has. This job takes more than courage. It requires skill, experience, patience, and the ability to stay calm when the ground, the tree, and the machine are all under pressure. Driving a heavy cargo truck on roads like these is not for untrained drivers. This is professional trucking at a high level, where every turn, brake, and gear change matters. If the goal was to destroy the vehicle, then this was definitely a success. One poor decision can turn a machine into a repair bill very quickly. Towering at an incredible height, this mighty tree finally meets its match. Weakened from the inside by fungal damage, it becomes a serious risk that demands expert arborist precision. With advanced techniques, strong equipment, and carefully planned cuts, the crew brings the job under control. This is how professionals handle danger. A 40-foot tree tangled near power lines leaves no space for panic. The crew uses a clean open-face notch to control the fall, relying on skill, planning, and safety where it matters most. A rare mishap turns into a warning when a chainsaw gets stuck mid-tree. What looks like a small problem can become serious fast when height, pressure, and cutting tools are involved. Even with a safety tie-off, his hesitant movements raise concern. Does he have enough experience for a job this risky? In tree work, precision and confidence are not just useful, they are essential. The John Deere 1470E is where mechanical force meets forest precision. Powered by 210 horsepower, this machine does not simply cut trees, it controls them. Every grab, cut, and processing cycle shows the speed and accuracy of modern forestry technology. Fire roars like a jet engine as the saw cuts into burning wood. One wrong move could make the situation unpredictable. But these professionals stay focused, working through heat, smoke, and pressure with steady control. The higher you climb, the clearer it becomes. Gravity is an opponent that never negotiates. The chain speed of the Husqvarna 560 XP is seriously impressive in professional trimming work. It shows why Husqvarna remains one of the leading names in high-performance forestry tools. Now watch heavy equipment working at full potential in a real farm environment. Large tree stumps and complex repair tasks are handled with strong power and impressive efficiency, proving how useful the right machine can be. This beast does not just clear land, it devours it. Massive tires, crushing torque, and unstoppable force turn thick forest brush into dust in seconds. This is a true land-clearing monster built for extreme terrain.
This brush mower eats thick green like breakfast.
This brush mower eats thick green growth with ease, pushing 15 to 25 gallons per minute through hardened blades and an Omni gearbox. Industrial power, clean cutting, and efficient vegetation control all come together in one tough attachment. Attach the MDE Koala to a 2.5-ton excavator, and it becomes a highly efficient land clearing system. With the ability to cut through large trunks and a strong hard-ox steel structure, this machine is ready for demanding forestry and clearing jobs. The TT4, a Soviet-era logging beast, still dominates some of the roughest terrain. Built for endurance, this tracked machine drags massive logs with raw force, powering through mud, steep slopes, and brutal conditions even after decades of hard work. The Ponce Buffalo rolls in like a forest tank, gripping pine logs with hydraulic power and carrying heavy loads with zero drama. Clean handling, strong control, and modern forestry efficiency move together at full speed. This is a reminder that split or cracked trees can react unpredictably during felling. When timber is already damaged, every cut needs extra attention because hidden pressure can change the situation fast.